Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. In continuation with the discussion of arrays, in this session we are going to discuss about reference arrays. Now what do you mean by reference array? Because array itself is a reference type of data. Then what is the use of reference array and how we are going to utilize it? This is what we are going to check in this particular session. So let's consider a class named as product. What product class I have designed over here is the product has product ID and product name. I have a constructor through which we can specify product ID and product name, and then the setter and getter methods for both the parameters. Now, whenever I'm creating object of this product, say product 1 equal to new product, I'm specifying the product ID and same name I'm specifying as mobile, right? Then product 2 equal to new product and laptop. So like this, whatever number of products I want to store, I will create one object each. So one object representing one product. Then whatever number of products I have, handling those products, accessing those products becomes a real complex task if I have multiple products to be handled. So what I can do is I can create an array which can hold product type of data, right? So here I'm going to create an array. So products equal to new product, and I'm going to specify what all products I want to store in this. So I'm creating an array of type product where each of this element will be able to hold product type of object. Now, whenever I am declaring this variable, this is called as a reference of the class. The initial value of this reference is null. It becomes an object whenever it is storing or it is referring to the location where the actual object of that particular class is stored. So, whenever I am creating this type of array, I am creating three product reference. So whichever product 1, product 2, product 3, like this, whatever reference I will be creating. So say for example, product P1, P2, P3. So these three variables I have declared. These are three references and not the objects. When this will become an object, when I will write P1 equal to new product and specify the value. At this particular point, this variable or this reference is considered as an object. Till this point, the value of P1 is always null. Value of P2 is also null. So, in this way, what we are going to have is we are going to have three references, which is products of 0, then products of 1, and products of 2. So three references, and each of these reference will be a null reference equivalent to P1, P2 and P3. Now this P1 is a reference and it will be represented as an object when it is going to This P1, P2 and P3, these are null references, and they will be referring to the location only when we are initializing these variables with the objects. On similar grounds, we need to create object of these products. So say for example, this is one object which I'm creating over here. So now this particular reference, which was initially null, now referring to an object, so it will be considered as an object. Say for example, headphone. And so these are certain products which we have. How to iterate over this? We can make use of for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than products dot length I plus plus. So I'm using I for the index, and I can simply do one thing as system.out.println products of I dot get product ID products of I dot get product name. So each of this product will be printed. The information will be printed. So whenever I'm executing this particular code, we will be able to see that these values, which are part of this product array, are being displayed on the console. So handling this particular array really becomes very easy, because I can iterate over that particular array and access to each element of the array. So this is how we can create an array of type reference. Why it is called as a reference array? Because it holds the references for a particular class, which further we can initialize with the object of that particular class. Thank you.